Why do you get dressed early in the morning in clothes that you buy just for work, commuting every day in overcrowded trains, just to get to a job that doesn't excite you, but you need in order to pay for the clothes, your fare, your family, and that house that you leave empty all day long so you can afford to live in it? Does this sound crazy to you? Where is this lifestyle taking you? Towards your dream? If not, how will you ever become truly fulfilled? More importantly, how will you ever get out of this time for money trap? That's if you have reached a point in your life where enough is enough. And so you might wonder, what's the alternative? It's just life. It's just how things are, right? Wrong. This used to be how my father earned money in the Industrial Revolution. They worked for the same company for decades. That's what you did. And it wasn't always about doing what you love. It was more about be the man, providing for your family and take on that role. Time for money jobs are quickly replaced with automated machines. Not to mention lack of job security. If anything brought that reality to front and center, is the world crisis of 2020. There is no job security out there. We are now living through a digital revolution, and you know and I know we must create our future. And it's not just money you and I are chasing, it's actually peace of mind. So after seeing my father craving for that pension to arrive after more than 40 years working in a job he hated, spending more than 60 hours a week, I could sadly affirm he was slowly selling himself out of a job. So I started questioning myself. Is this really what to expect for my future and my life? Is this really it? I became very determined to find a way to get out of this time for money trap. I started researching on the internet, and after many weeks I found a global community of digital entrepreneurs willing to help complete beginners like me make the transition to a digital world. So I started to embrace technology, educate myself, and earn an income from it. As a complete beginner, I create an automated online business where I'm able to sell something I'm truly passionate about. And yes, at first I was extremely skeptical, but I decided to watch some free videos that they sent me. And I'm so very grateful I did so. Because those videos firstly helped me with basic business ideas. I didn't have a clue what type of business I wanted to run or even what was possible. Then they show me step by step how to build my own fully automated online business from scratch. But the thing that surprised me the most, they show me how many people from all walks of life, all ages and backgrounds had already made this transition to a digital lifestyle, working for themselves and earning a healthy income just from their laptops. So for the first time in my life, I became bold. Yes, I did. I followed the steps in the video series, and with the help and support of the community, it completely changed my life. I'm now at the stage in my own journey where I wanted to help others. So if you're watching this video and you want to start your own online business from scratch, I'm more than happy to send you the same video series that got me started. For free, of course, as this is how I receive it. So if you click somewhere down here in this video, it will take you to my website. And if you're interested, fill in your name and email details, and I will send you the videos directly to your inbox. If you're someone who is open to learning new things, who wants more time, more freedom, maybe a secondary income or even a primary income like me by working for yourself, then I strongly recommend that you click the link and look for yourself. I remember thinking This all sounds way too good to be true. But thinking back now, it was just an amazing opportunity that presented itself to me just at the right time in my life. And I didn't want to pass it up. And maybe, just maybe, it's the right time for you to explore an alternative lifestyle. Since it doesn't cost money, you own it to yourself to explore what's possible with you. I am excited to know I now have a plan for my future, and my hope is you will find yours too. Talk soon. Ciao.